Hi, I'm Jamey Harris with Remedy Plumbing. When buyers walk through a home, they may not see the plumbing, but they feel it. From water pressure to fixtures, your plumbing can quietly add thousands to your home's value. Here's what home buyers notice right away. Number 1, water pressure. If your shower feels weak or inconsistent, buyers assume old pipes or low quality plumbing. A simple PRV adjustment can make a huge difference. Number 2, the water heater. If it's more than 10 years old, it looks like a future expense to them. A new, efficient unit signals that the home has been maintained. Number 3, updated pipes. PEX or copper repiping tells buyers you're invested in your home's core systems. That gives them confidence during inspections. Number 4, clean, modern fixtures. New faucets and shower heads make kitchens and bathrooms feel move-in ready, even without a full remodel. Number 5, leak-free peace of mind. No drips, no stains, and no musty smells. That's what every buyer hopes for, and inspectors look for it too. At Remedy Plumbing, we work with realtors and homeowners across Northeast Georgia to prepare homes for sale and protect long-term value. A few smart upgrades now can pay off big when it's time to sell. I'm Jamey Harris with Remedy Plumbing, and remember, Dr. Remedy makes house calls.